First of all, I would like to thank all the organization of this meeting. This conference was very interesting because it joined many people from all over the world and telling and sharing different kind of knowledges. We went around urology in my case, to the basic sciences, to radiology. We have sessions about many topics that are present in the nowadays society and research. It was a very nice experience. I also would like to say that it was very good to meet people from all over the world with different perspectives of life, of doing science, and that was also very curious and interesting. And finally, I think these kind of conferences give us the opportunity to speak in public, to develop our soft skills in terms of what presentations are concerned. And so I think it was very good for me and for all of the participants to be here. Thank you once again to the committee, and see you for the next year.